So, you want to make a cool million? Well, there are countless paths to the elusive seven-figure mark, but let's get through the noise and dive into how the maestro himself, Jeff Bezos, orchestrated his financial symphony. No need for formalities. We all know who Bezos is. Instead, let's jump right into the nitty-gritty. Step into the world of opulence with luxury beyond borders, the ultimate destination for luxury enthusiasts. Join us on an enthralling journey as each episode unravels extraordinary tales of opulence that transcends geographical boundaries. From stunning estates to rare artifacts, we're here to redefine your perception of luxury. Now, let's get rich with Bezos' principles. Customer-focused strategy. Pay attention to the money. Forget about what the competition is up to. Bezos has golden nugget of wisdom for you. Customers hold the purse strings. In a world fixated on rivals, he urges entrepreneurs to focus solely on their customers. Why? Because at the end of the day, they're the ones with the money. It's not about what the competition is doing. It's about delivering the best products to your customers and earning their trust. Trust is a currency, and it's harder to gain than a magic trick, but can disappear faster than a coin flip. Bezos, in his shareholder letters, emphasized the importance of understanding customer needs, even those unspoken. They might not know exactly what they want, but they always want it better. Remember Amazon Prime? Nobody asked for it, but everyone loved it when it arrived. The key is to anticipate and satisfy the ever-evolving needs of your customers. It's an art and an intuition, and it's what sets successful businesses apart, constructing around unchangeable elements, forecasting the future. While many speculate about what will change in the next 10 years, Bezos throws a curveball by asking, what won't change? Building a business around enduring needs, around things that will likely persist, provides a foundation for success. Predictability allows you to focus your efforts on what truly matters. Amazon's success is grounded in the perpetual need for fast, convenient deliveries, a need that isn't going away anytime soon. 4 crucial characteristics of a dreamy business. According to Bezos, the perfect business possesses 4 essential attributes. Firstly, customers should love it. Their perception is a litmus test for success. Secondly, it must have the potential for massive scalability, ability to grow and serve a broad audience. Third, strong returns on capital are crucial because ultimately, profit reigns supreme. Lastly, the business should be durable over time, anchored to a need that won't fade away. Bezos' formula for a dreamy business is simple yet powerful. Relentless in the big picture, adaptable in the details. Bezos advocates for a delicate balance between stubbornness and flexibility. Stay unwavering in your vision, but be adaptable in your approach. Moving goalposts and constantly changing your vision can lead to confusion and inconsistency. Stubbornly cling to your overarching vision while being nimble in navigating the unpredictable twists and turns of the business landscape. Inventing the future is easier than crucial it. Bezos challenges the notion of predicting the future, asserting that creating it is not the only reliable way. Those who actively shape the future are the ones who can foresee it. Hindsight might make things seem obvious, but in reality, companies like Amazon actively constructed the path to the dominance of online purchases. The lesson here is clear. Be a creator, not a spectator. If you're someone who appreciates the finer things in life, you've found your tribe. Luxury Beyond Borders is not just a channel, it's an exclusive circle of individuals who share a passion for the extraordinary. Don't miss out on our exclusive journeys into opulence. Hit that subscribe button and become part of a community that knows luxury beyond borders. Let's dive back into the video. A poor product comes at a price, which is advertising. In Jeff Bezos' playbook for business success, the mantra is clear. Invest in a stellar product and let the magic of word-of-mouth marketing take the lead. Bezos, the brains behind Amazon's rise to dominance, firmly believes that a truly outstanding product doesn't need flashy advertisements to attract attention. Instead, it becomes a magnet for positive buzz, as satisfied customers enthusiastically share their experience with others. According to Bezos, advertising is a cost that those with support products would struggle to stand out must pay. While such products might turn a profit in the short term, Bezos advocates for a more strategic approach. According to Bezos, the savvy move is to channel resources back into enhancing your product's quality. By constantly reinvesting in product improvement, you create a cycle of excellence that keeps customers satisfied and fuels positive word of mouth. This, he contends, is the most powerful and authentic form of marketing. In a world inundated with advertising noise, a product that genuinely addresses real needs and consistently exceeds expectations become a beacon, drawing in customers organically. So, the key takeaway from Bezos' philosophy is simple. Prioritize product excellence and let your satisfied customers become the driving force behind your brand success. Earn little on a large number of people. In the game of wealth creation, Bezos suggests two strategies. Sell something expensive to a select few or sell something affordable to a vast audience. In the era of infinite scalability, he leans heavily towards the latter. Focus on delivering the best solution to as many people as possible. It's a customer-centric approach that aligns with the changing dynamics of the market. Determine your needs and proceed with working backwards. Jeff Bezos flips the traditional business model on its head by urging entrepreneurs to adopt a reverse approach. Instead of starting with a product and searching for an audience, Bezos advises beginning with a laser focus on the needs of your target customers. By intimately understanding their desires and pain points, you can then craft a product that directly addresses these real-world demands. Placing the customer at the heart of your business not only ensures that your product resonates authentically with its intended audience, but also establishes a strong foundation of long-term success. Bezos' strategy emphasizes the importance of aligning your business with the genuine needs of your customers, creating a symbiotic relationship that goes beyond mere transactions to foster loyalty and sustain growth. Embrace trends. In Bezos' eyes, fighting trends is akin to fighting the future. Embrace external trends and incorporate them intelligently into your business model. Whether it's drones for delivery or the latest technological advancements, adapting to trends while staying true to your vision is key. It's a delicate dance of flexibility within a fixed framework. Two types of decision. In Jeff Bezos' decision-making framework, he neatly categorizes choices into two distinct types, Type 1 and Type 2. Type 1 decisions, he asserts, are weighty and irreversible, carrying long-term consequences. These decisions demand meticulous analysis and thoughtful consideration, akin to passing through a one-way door where there is no turning back. On the flip side, Type 2 decisions are reversible, and Bezos places a premium on making them swiftly, even in the face of incomplete information. Recognizing the nature of the decision at hand is pivotal for sustaining momentum and progress in the dynamic landscape of business. By differentiating between the decision types, Bezos advocates for balance and adaptive approach, ensuring that the gravity of irreversible decision is met with careful scrutiny while allowing for agile and timely responses in irreversible scenarios. This nuanced understanding is central to maintaining a forward trajectory in the ever-evolving world of entrepreneurship. Decoding Jeff Bezos' journey to $1 million is more than just a roadmap. It's a masterclass in entrepreneurship. From customer obsession to embracing change, Bezos' principle provide a compass for those navigating the complex terrain of business. So armed with this insight, go ahead, innovate, and make your mark in the world of entrepreneurship. After all, as Bezos would say, it's easier to invent the future than to predict it. Now, go build your empire. As we gracefully conclude another chapter of opulence, we extend our heartfelt thanks for joining us on this refined escapade. If you're someone who believes in crafting a lifestyle that echoes luxury, then Luxury Beyond Borders is your haven. Be sure to subscribe, share, and immerse yourself in stories that redefine extravagance. Until our next encounter, remember to curate your lifestyle with a touch of luxury. Stay sophisticated, stay inspired, and we eagerly anticipate welcoming you back for more tales from around the globe.